This is the definitive guide to resolving FFXIV's persistent game closures and crashes. After experiencing these frustrating interruptions myself and meticulously testing numerous approaches, I've identified several effective methods to restore stable gameplay, which I will now share. Method 1 addresses potential corruption within the game's installation files. Verifying integrity ensures all game assets are accounted for and correctly configured, preventing red errors that cause shutdowns. Updating graphics drivers is crucial because outdated drivers often lack compatibility with new game code, leading to rendering failures and crashes. Clearing the game cache removes temporary files that might have become corrupted after an update, offering a clean slate for the game to load assets. Running the game as an administrator grants it the necessary permissions to access system resources without restriction, which can resolve privilege-related crashes. Disabling in-game overlays from other applications prevents them from interfering with FFXIV's rendering processes. Method 2 focuses on optimizing game performance and system compatibility. Adjusting in-game settings, particularly graphics quality, can reduce the strain on your hardware, preventing overloads that trigger crashes. Monitoring system temperatures is vital as overheating components will throttle performance or shut down to prevent damage, leading to abrupt game exits. Closing unnecessary background applications frees up system resources, ensuring FFXIV has ample memory and processing power. Method 3 delves into deeper system and driver interactions. Rolling back graphics drivers can sometimes resolve issues if the latest version introduced a bug specific to FFXIV. Updating DirectX ensures the game has access to the latest graphics libraries and functionalities. Checking sound drivers is important as audio conflicts can sometimes manifest as system instability and game crashes. Method 4 targets configuration and system level adjustments. Deleting configuration files resets FFXIV's settings to their default state, eliminating any specific corrupted settings that might be causing the problem. Adjusting the page file size can improve memory management.